If your hair has been feeling dry, breaking, or not retaining length, this simple natural hairspray can help improve the health of your hair over time. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this herbal hairspray using simple ingredients and how I use it in my routine. Let's get into the video. For this spray, I use hibiscus flowers, cloves and bay leaves. Hibiscus contains vitamin C, amino acids and antioxidants. These nutrients help to strengthen the hair. They reduce breakage and improve moisture in the hair. It also supports healthy hair growth and can help the hair feel softer and fuller over time. Cloves contains a natural compound called irritation. This helps to improve blood circulation on the scalp, which supports healthy growth. It also reduces shedding and keeps the scalp clean because of its antibacterial properties. Bay leaves contains vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin C, and they are rich in antioxidants. They help to maintain a healthy scalp, reduce dandruff and calm irritation. This creates a better environment for healthy hair growth. I pour them into a clean plastic jar and add warm water. I allow them to sit overnight so the nutrients can gradually release inside the water. This is the infusion method and it's gentle. After infusing, I strain the mixture to remove the herbs. Then I pour the liquid into a clean spray bottle for easy application. Our potent herbal spray is ready to use. Now, let's move into the application. I started by spraying it all over my scalp and hair. You can feel how refreshing it is. It soothes and calms the scalp. It stimulates the scalp for healthy growth. If your hair has been dry, breaking a lot, this spray alone can make your hair feel alive. It's like a natural boost straight from the herbs. So after spraying, the next thing I like to do is to go in with my leave-in conditioner. Now, this step is very important and let me tell you why. The herbal spray adds moisture to the hair, but if you leave it like that, the moisture can dry out very quickly. So applying a leave-in conditioner helps to trap that moisture inside your hair so it stays soft longer. After that, I go in with my Ayurvedic hair butter to seal everything in. This step helps to keep the moisture locked in for a longer time and prevents my hair from drying out. Once I finished applying the butter, I added a few drops of my Ayurvedic hair oil directly to my scalp. It helps nourish the scalp and create a better environment for healthy hair growth. After that, I massage my scalp gently in a circular motion. This helps stimulate blood flow to the scalp and promote healthy growth. Massaging also helps all the products work together so every strand gets care and attention. Remember, consistency is key. Using it every few days or whenever your hair feels dry will help your hair stay soft, shiny and nourished. Your hair deserves love, and this natural spray is an easy, gentle way to give it exactly that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment below. Would you try this DIY spray? I would really love to hear from you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and join our natural hair family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Stay consistent and take care of your hair. Bye!